Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is going to be about Nykaa recommendations. So as you all know that Nykaa has its Pink Friday sale running right now. It's live. So I'm going to be sharing few products with you all. There are over more than 30 products here. I have like skincare, body care and makeup and lot of things I'm going to be sharing with you today. So if you want to shop from Nykaa, I think this is your time, and I'm going to be sharing some amazing products with you all, and these all products have been tried and tested by me. There are no products in today's recommendations video as such जो कि मैंने कभी try नहीं किया है. So all these products are well known by me, and that's why I'm going to be recommending or referring to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to categorize this video into skincare, body care, hair care and then makeup. So first up we will be starting with the skincare. Okay, so to start with, I have this Plum Ka moisturizer. This is the rice water and niacinamide clear moisture gel cream. So it fade your blemishes, regulates sebum overproduction. So yeah, this is the one which I have been using, and I think I'm almost over. Now the next moisturizer is this one. This is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. So this is the one which I have been using lately, and I feel this is very like calming and soothing to your skin. This will not break you whatsoever, because I think Simple is a very good like brand which makes very skin friendly products. So this is the one if you are also interested in, and this is also like lightweight and it is good for oily skin type. So all the products are majorly for oily skin type because I am oily and acne prone skin type. So yeah, this is the moisturizer number 2. Now the another moisturizer, or you could say a night cream, which I use is again from Plum. This is in their tea tree variant. Sorry, not tea tree, this is in their green tea renewed clarity night gel variant. So this is the one. They also have a face wash of the same category, so I used to use that as well. It is also very similar to this one. So yeah, I use this. I have also mentioned this in my vlog or somewhere. So this is also a very good moisturizer to use at night. It will help to regenerate your skin. If you're looking for a good night cream, affordable night cream, then this is the one you could invest in. Okay, so now I also use this toner. This is from Hyphen. This is the Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence. So this is very like good toner. It has a milky texture. Before makeup I usually use this because it gives me like a good plumping effect to my skin. My skin becomes really bouncy after using this. Okay, so one thing you have to keep in mind for this particular toner is you have to shake it well before you use it, because then if you pour without shaking it, you will get like a very transparent liquid out. So, as you can see, this is the texture and this is the consistency of the toner. It's very lightweight, and as I told you, it's very good to apply pre-makeup. Okay, so another toner which I have been using is this one. This is from Plum. This is also the rice water and niacinamide toner. So this is like the same variant of this one, this moisturizer which I suggested earlier. So this, you can see that I have used it almost till the end, and I like to use it after my makeup to fix my makeup kind of, because sometimes what happens is my makeup becomes very cakey. So like I like to spray it all over my face if I feel very cakey, and this instantly gives me like a good glow onto my face. So yeah, this is the one which I use after makeup. You can use it before makeup or anytime like before sleeping or in the morning. You can use it according to your preference, but yeah, this is how I use it. So moving on to the main category of your skincare, this is basically the sunscreen which I'm talking about. So you should not skip your sunscreen whatsoever. Like even if you're indoors, you should not skip your sunscreen. You should apply it daily. So this is the one from Deconstruct, and ये मैं नहीं use करती हूँ. This is used by my husband. Like क्रिस्टी को ये बहुत पसंद है इसका कंसिस्टेंसी. सो ही हैज़ लाइक अ ड्राई लाइक कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन है उनका, सो ये उनको अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ जेल सनस्क्रीन एंड इट इज़ SPF 55 प्लस PA+++. So yeah, this is also a very good sunscreen if you are looking for a combination skin. Another sunscreen is this one. This is from Dot & Key. This is the watermelon cooling sunscreen aqua gel, and this is 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. So this is also like with hyaluronic acid, so it will give like a good hydration onto your skin. Your skin will not feel very dry after using this. So this is a good one. Now my most favorite sunscreen of all time is this one. This is from Wishcare. This is their niacinamide oil balance fluid sunscreen. So anything which has niacinamide, peptides and ceramides, I usually go for that products because they work well for my skin, because I have oily and acne prone skin and very sensitive. So I feel all these kind of products which have niacinamide, which can balance my oil, these would work very well for me. So this is the one which I have been using. I am almost at the end of this sunscreen. It's almost going to be finished now. So yeah, this is like a very fluid consistency. It is not a cream based sunscreen. So if you can see, this is how it looks like. It left no white cast behind. It blends onto your skin within seconds. So yeah, this is one good sunscreen that I would like to recommend to you guys. Okay, so now moving on to vitamin C serum. So this is one vitamin C serum which I have been using for 2 or 3 months, and I think this is one of the best vitamin C serums that I have used till date, because it has calendula in it, and I have heard that calendula basically soothes your skin, plus it is like a glow serum at the same time. So it basically helps to reduce your pigmentation as well. So I think this is a very good vitamin C serum if you are a beginner and you want to invest in a vitamin C serum. This is not very expensive. I think this retails for around 550 or something, and during the Nykaa sale I think you will get it at more discounted price. So this is a good one to invest in vitamin C. So okay, so now I also use this Foxtail ka retinol night serum. This is I think 0.1% retinol, and it has betaine and kokum butter. So retinol is an active ingredient and you should not use it daily. I use this like once in 2 or 3 days. So this is this will basically help you with your aging, like your wrinkles and fine lines. So I think it will not show you the results very instantly, but after a few years you will see that yeah, your skin is more tighter. So this is a good retinol serum if you are interested to buy in. So the face wash which I use is this one from Minimalist. It is their salicylic acid plus LHA 2% face wash, and not face wash, sorry, it is a cleanser. So yeah, it reduces sebum and acne, and it is good for oily and combination skin. So it works well for me as well as Christy. So we both use this cleanser, and it works very well for me after my makeup, because it cleanses my pores. I have quite a lot of open pores on my face, so it cleanses my pores very well. So this is a very good cleanser if you're looking for. So for some days when I feel like, you know, exfoliating my skin, when my skin is feeling very dull or my skin is getting very like those acnes, so I exfoliate my skin using this Chemist at Pleka 3% AHA plus PHA plus walnut plus rice milk face scrub. And this is a very gentle exfoliating face scrub. It is not very like harsh on your skin. It has very small exfoliating particles, and this works very well on your skin. After using this, my skin feels more softer and better than like before. So this is a very good exfoliating scrub if you are looking for. This is the last thing for my second last thing for my skincare. So I'm talking about face mask. So face masks are very important in your skincare routine, because every like once in a week I try to use this face mask. This is from Foxtail, the Skin Radiance mask. This is a very famous face mask. I think you guys might have seen it somewhere on the internet. It is very viral. So yeah, this is a Brazilian purple clay plus kaolin clay plus lactic acid, and it suits for all the skin types. So if you are a dry skin type as well, I think this will work for you as well. Okay, so the last skincare product which I'm going to recommend you guys is this one. This is the Bella Vita's eyebrow and eyelash oil. So this basically enhances your eyebrows and lashes ka, you know, growth. So if you have really thin lashes and brows, then this is the one oil for you. This is also very cheap. This retails for around 200 or 250, I'm not sure. So yeah, you can use this. I have very thick eyebrows, but my eyelashes are not that thick, so I use this for my eyelashes at night before sleeping. I've not used it for more than 1 week right now, so I can't tell you if it really works, but I will make sure to give you a review of this one in my future vlogs. Okay, so there is one more product I want to show you. This is the Garnier ka Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the last one. I'm pretty sure this is the last one from the skincare category. So this is their all-in-one micellar cleansing water, and I think this is the only one micellar water which I've been using for so many years now. I have emptied lot of bottles of this one. This is my new bottle. So yeah, this is a very nice cleansing water if you want to use for cleaning up makeup. So the skincare category is finally over. Now we will move on to the body care category. So for body care, I have this Gillette ka Satin Care, and this is the shave gel with aloe vera in this, and it is a very big bottle. It is like 195 grams or something. So if you use razors on your skin, and if you don't use any shaving gel, I think you should invest in a good shaving gel, because it will not cause any irritation on your skin, and it will make your razor process very smooth and very easy and very calming without any razor bumps. So yeah, this is a very good product, and this is very safe on your skin. It is from Gillette. So this, I think every girl should get. Whoever uses razors should use this rather than using soaps on your skin, because soaps would cause you some irritations after your shaving or your shaving process. So yeah, this is a good product you should invest in. Now let's talk about this product. So this is my most favorite good smelling body scrub. This is from Lux Essence of Himalayas Lavender and Vitamin C Body Scrub, and this smells divine. Like, this smells heavenly. So you should usually not use body scrub like every day, but I kind of use it every 2 days at least, because I just can't resist using this because it smells so good. As you can see, I have almost emptied this one. I'm halfway through this tub. This is a very big tub, and this is also not that expensive. It is for 600 rupees, but obviously you will get it on a good sale during this period. So I think for starters, for your body scrubs, you should definitely try this one. This out of all the other products which I am recommending, this one I think you should definitely try this. You will not regret buying. Okay, so now for my body wash, I use this big Bada Batli from Dove. This is their refreshing body wash with triple hydration serum with cucumber and green tea scent. So I don't think it has exfoliating granules or something. The other one, the blue color ka jo ek other variant aata hai iska, that one has exfoliating particles in that, but this one doesn't. But this one also is equally good, and it smells very nice. So if you want to make your shower routine even more fun, you can try this Dove ka body wash. This one will last you for a very long time. Obviously it depends on the way you use it, but ये मुझे तो बहुत टाइम तक लास्ट करता है, almost for 1 or 1.5 months. Okay, so now let's talk about body lotions. So I live in Trivandrum, Kerala. So यहाँ का जो धूप होता है, it's very harsh. You can literally see tan lines on my body. So जब मैं मुंबई में रहती थी तो मुझे इतना टैनिंग नहीं होता था, because मुंबई का जो धूप है थोड़ा सा ठीक ठाक था, better than the धूप यहाँ पे in Trivandrum. So मैं पहले ये वाला बॉडी लोशन यूज़ करती थी. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम Vaseline. दिस इज़ दैट सन प्रोटेक्ट SPF 30 UVA प्लस UVB प्रोटेक्शन. सो ये चल जाता था मुंबई वाले वेदर में, बट after I came to Trivandrum, I started using this one. This is the Sunscoop Sunscreen Body Lotion, and it has 5% niacinamide, and it is SPF 50 plus PA++++. So if you're living in any part of the world which has very sunny weather, so I think this is not any part of the world, in India, if you're living in any part of India which has very sunny weather, I think you should definitely try this sun body lotion. So yeah, these two are my body lotion recommendation for you guys. This is for daily use. ये आप अगर घर पे हो तो you can use this, and this is for your proper बाहर का वेदर वाला बॉडी लोशन. None of these smell very good. Apart from this, I would recommend you the Plum का vanilla and caramello वाला body lotion. I had been using it in the past, but अभी मैं नहीं यूज़ करती उसको because of some circumstances. So yeah, that is the one. If you want to smell good after applying your body lotion, आप वो try कर सकते हो. But apart from that, for today, I am going to recommend these two for you. Okay, so let's move on to the next category, which is going to be your hair care. Okay, so let's start with oiling. So for oil, I use this Soulflower ka rosemary lavender with amla oil. This is basically a very good oil. As you can see, I am almost like over with this hair oil. After using this, I felt like my hair fall has been reduced, and yeah, it works very well for me, and it is very cheap, like something 200 or 250 mein you get this whole bottle, and this is for 120 ml also. So I think this is a very good oil if you are looking for. And after applying oil to my scalp, I usually apply coconut oil onto the lengths of my hair, because I think lengths pe you should always apply oil which are not very heavy. So I use this one. This is from Max Care Virgin Coconut Oil. This is 100% natural and cold pressed coconut oil. So yeah, this is the one which I have been using on the lengths of my hair, and it works very well for me. After using these two oils in combination, I have seen a significant difference in my hairs, that my hairs have like reduced the like falling of my hairs. So yeah, these two are a great combination. Okay, so moving on to the most favorite product in today's video is this. This is the Dove 10-in-1 Deep Repair Treatment Hair Mask. So this hair mask I have been using for 2 weeks now, and I have already fallen in love with this hair mask because of how great this works on my hair. After the hair wash, I feel कि मेरा बाल में बहुत like shine आता है, and my hair feels really very softer and strong at the same time. So this smells also very amazing. It smells so good, and this one I think it is for 650 rupees, and you get a very big bottle. So if you want to try for a good hair mask, I think this is the one. This you should and you must get, because this will give you great results for sure. This is also in the Nykaa's bestseller list apparently. So I think this is a very good product. This is my most favorite product out of all the products I'm going to be showing you in today's video. This is my most favorite product. Okay, so बात करते हैं hair growth serums की. So this is the hair growth serum from Wishcare. This reduces hair fall and boosts your hair growth. So yes, मुझे बाकी का ingredients के बारे में तो नहीं पता, but I would say that this really would help you in your hair growth. Like after using this, even I have like started getting small hairs, especially in the back of my neck. I have like started getting these small hairs, like baby hairs. So this is my second bottle. पहले मैं क्या करती थी कि I used to use this before my hair wash, कि after oiling I used to use this because मुझे लगता था कि ये oily है. But after using one whole bottle, मुझे realize हुआ कि we should use it on clear scalp to achieve better results. So then I started using that, and after that I saw a very good difference in my hairs. I saw baby hairs growing. So if you are looking for a good hair growth serum, this is a very trusted hair growth serum. I have heard great reviews from so many people. So yeah, this is a one you can invest in. Okay, so moving on to shampoos. So उसके लिए मैं यूज़ करती हूँ L'Oreal का Hyaluron Pure 72 hours purifying shampoo. So because I have like very oily hairs, and like I tend to get a little bit of dandruff after 2 or 3 days of my hair wash. If you are looking for a hair fall resist shampoo, then this is the one which I have been using. This is also from L'Oreal. This is their fall resist 3x shampoo anti hair fall. So yeah, these two are the shampoos which I use. This I have just started using, तो इसका मुझे इतना पता नहीं है कि कितना अच्छे से काम करता है, but this one I am sure कि आप देख सकते हो कि I have almost used this full bottle. So this one works great for me. इसका मैं आपको रिव्यूज़ आगे के व्लॉग्स में ज़रूर दूंगी, but for now I think you should go for this one if you have oily scalp. I don't know about hair fall, but for oily and greasy scalp, this will work for you. So now the last hair care product which I will show you is this one. This is the Plum Hibiscus Ceramide Smoothing Hair Serum. So after my hair wash, I usually go in with this serum when my hairs are a little damp, they are not fully dry. I go in with this serum and I apply it onto my lens, and this will give you a very like good shine onto your hairs. So if you are looking for a good serum, I think you can use this. This is like I have just started using it, no अभी ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है, but it is working well for me. कुछ ऐसा greasy और oily नहीं होता है आपका बाल, so this is a good one. ओके, देर इज़ वन मोर प्रोडक्ट. सो जो मैंने आपको जो अभी सीरम बताया उसका ही वेरिएंट का ये प्लम का हिबिस्कस एंड सेरामाइड्स वाला कंडीशनर भी है. सो एट टाइम्स व्हेन आई एम नॉट फीलिंग लाइक यूजिंग हेयर मास्क, आई ऑल्सो गोइंग विद दिस कंडीशनर. सो या जब मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता, आई जस्ट हैव टू क्विकली डू माई हेयर वॉश. मैं इसको लगा के 2-5 मिनट में वॉश कर लेती हूँ. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड, लाइक इट विल गिव यू लाइक सॉफ्ट एंड बाउंसी हेयर्स एट द एंड ऑफ योर हेयर वॉश. सो दिस इज द वन. Okay, so now moving on to the last category, which is my favorite category. It is about makeup. So I'll show you some of my favorite makeup products now. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट मेकअप प्रोडक्ट जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ इज़ दिस स्किन टिंट. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम लॉरियल. दिस इज़ देयर इनफैलिएबल 24-hour tinted serum, and I am in the shade 3-4 light medium. So this is a very good skin tint. अभी भी मैंने वही यूज़ किया है. यू कैन सी कि ये बहुत अच्छा लाइक यू नो ग्लोई इफेक्ट देता है आपके स्किन को. दिस इज़ नॉट लाइक अदर फाउंडेशंस जो कि थोड़ा हैवी हो जाते हैं स्किन पे. दिस इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट, एंड एज इट सेज इट इज़ अ स्किन टिंट, सो इट विल लुक लाइक योर स्किन बट बेटर. आई विल शो यू द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस वन. So as you can see, it's like a fluid only, and this is the shade which I am using. It is not full coverage whatsoever. It will not cover your blemishes or your scars or your pores. It will just give you a nice like tint जैसा आपको एक feel देगा ये. As you can see, like I have applied foundation over here, and this is my other hand. So you can see that it has not covered my pigmentations, but it is looking better, my skin, but better. So yeah, this is one skin tint which I have been using now, and it is really very good. So this is like for 750 something, but 750 nahi 1000 rupees, but I think you'll get it on a great discount at this time. So if you want to invest in affordable skin tint, then you can go for this one. This is the Dot & Key ka Strawberry Dewy Tinted Sunscreen. So this is a sunscreen and a tint both at once. So I don't know if I should put this in a skincare category or a makeup category, but I use it as a makeup only. Sometimes when I feel कि मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ heavy नहीं करना है, so I use this particular skin tint sunscreen. So yeah, this is like SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. So this will give you protection and beauty at the same time. So for eyeshadow palettes, I have two eyeshadow palettes with me here. One is from Swiss Beauty and one is from Plum. So Swiss Beauty का ये है Ultimate Shadow Palette, and Plum का this is In Your Element eyeshadow palette. So this palette is like a very colorful palette, and I have got this as a complimentary gift or something when Plum was running their sale. Now this is the one which I have been using from Swiss Beauty, and it has all the basic and neutral colors over here. It has black, it has browns, and it has some shimmers as well. This is a quite pigmented palette, and it blends very nicely onto your skin. I will show you. As you can see, it is not that pigmented, but you can make it work. Like you can build this up and you will get very good results. So yeah, these are the two palettes which I have been using. I don't know if Nykaa is selling this one, but iska to main link नीचे description box में दे दूँगी. Okay, so the blush which I have been using on my skin is this one. This is from Insight, and this is their shade 02 Raspberry Gelato. So this is a very creamy blush, and apart from this मैं और एक कोई तो blush use करती हूँ, but I'm not able to find that blush right now, so I'm just going to show you this one. This is a very good like like red and pink का mixture वाला एक shade है, and this is good, like this is pigmented. I will show this to you. Okay, so this is the blush, and this is how it looks on your skin. So when you apply this, it is really easy to blend on your skin. It is like a cream consistency. So yeah, this is a very good blush. Rather than using powder blush, I usually prefer using cream blush because I feel cream blushes gives you like a very dewy finish. I like my makeup if it looks dewy. I don't like my makeup matte. So yeah, this is the blush which I have been using. This is very affordable, and you can try this one. They have variety of shades, but this is the one which I have been using. Now for my mascara, I have three options here. This is a very famous L'Oreal Panorama mascara. I think सबको इसके बारे में पता है. So this is almost finished. अभी इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. So this one I have been using like I bought this when I was getting married, so I used it like last year, and it's very nice. It has this wand which like helps you to elongate your lashes, and this is waterproof mascara. So this is the newest launch of Maybelline. This is their, I think, या बबल मस्कारा, बबल कलोसल मस्कारा. सो जब मैं इस मस्कारा को रिमूव करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, मेरे कुछ आई लैशेज़ भी इसके साथ साथ निकल जाते हैं. सो आई ऑलरेडी हैव वेरी फ्यू लैशेज़ एंड आई कांट अफोर्ड टू लूज़ एनी मोर लैशेज़. सो इसको मैं बहुत रेयरली, लाइक very few occasions पे I use this. If I have any special occasions, then only I will use this. Okay, so the most favorite mascara is from Stays, and Stays is doing a good job with their mascaras and like affordable lipsticks and lip glosses. So this they have written it on their tube as volumizing and waterproof mascara, but this is not waterproof because the other day when I went out and it was raining, this mascara like came out because it is a tubing mascara. So if you apply like water, and you do not need to apply any micellar water or something, just normal water, if you apply, this will come out and this will not harm your lashes whatsoever. So that is the one thing I like about this mascara. This is really good for daily use if you are a college going girl or office going girl, so you can use this. And this is very affordable than the other two mascaras which I showed you earlier. So yeah, this is my most favorite mascara. For concealer, I have one and only this concealer from Maybelline. This is their instant age rewind eraser, and yeah, this is the one which I have been using. I don't know the shade. Where is the shade of this mascara? Sorry, I don't know the shade. I can't find this on this bottle. Okay, nonetheless, I will just mention this in the description box or on the screen somewhere about this shade. So yeah, this is the one concealer which I have been using for so many years now. इसके अलावा मैंने कोई concealer use नहीं किया है. So for concealer, I have only this recommendation in this video, and this is also very affordable. ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है ये. This is very good. Okay, so now for kajal, I have this one. This is the Renee's Midnight Kohl pencil. ये बहुत ज़्यादा like deep black color का काजल है, and it is waterproof and smudge proof. It is like very deep black, and it's of a very गुड क्वालिटी काजल, एंड ये भी कुछ 450 का है, और अभी तो आपको और भी ज़्यादा कम प्राइस में मिलेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फॉर माई आईज आई ऑल्सो यूज दिस होलोग्राफिक आई लाइनर. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी, एंड द शेड नेम इज 04 Nebula. They have variety of shades, and this is very good to create like fun eyeliner looks. So this is like a holographic eyeliner. So it will look like green and pink and a lot of glitter if you look from different angles. From far away also it looks very beautiful. So yeah, these two things are the ones which I use on my eyes. कभी कभी ये use करती हूँ, कभी कभी ये use करती हूँ, depending on the mood and the dress and the vibe which I am going for. So these two are my recommendations for eyes. So the next thing which I would like to recommend is this one. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless 16 Hours Oil Control Powder. It is very good. It is mattifying powder. So मैं oily skin हूँ तो मेरे लिए काफ़ी अच्छे से work करता है. It is also of a very affordable price. So if you want to invest in a good powder, this is the one. So now the last thing which I would like to recommend to you are few lipsticks. Few are affordable and few are like of a mid-range. So my most favorite lipstick is this one. This is their Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Nude Dream 08 Nude Dream. This I have emptied so many bottles. Like, this is a very nice nude shade. I just love this shade. If you are in confusion, you can just apply this shade and you're good to go. So this is my most favorite lipstick. It is very affordable and you can check this out. This shade is very nice. It is a very nice nude shade, very warm. So yeah, this is the one. Apart from that, I also use this Maybelline ka the creamy mattes, and this is in the shade 660 Touch of Spice. This is like a very pink nude kind of a shade. I'll show you how it looks on my skin. So this is how it looks like, and sometimes मैं इसको as a blush भी use करती हूँ because it is like a very pink shade, so it looks good on your cheeks as well. Another lipstick जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी is this one. This is the Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint, and I bought this lipstick for the packaging. It's very cute. The shade in this lipstick is Buffed Out 95 Buffed Out. This is like a very soft nude. This is not very comfortable on my lips. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि after applying this मेरे lips थोड़े से dry हो जाते हैं. So before applying this you should apply a lip balm or something to get better results. Apart from that, this is like a good shade. They have a variety of different shades as well. Another lipstick from Maybelline is their Maybelline's Vinyl Ink. So before using it, you make sure that you shake it. And this is in the shade 115 Peppy. So this is also a very good shade. It's like little bit on cooler tones. So this is how it looks like. It's very like not matte and not glossy. It is somewhere in the between. So if you're looking for a mid-range lipsticks, you can try these Vinyl Ink ka range. They have so many different shades as well. You can pick your favorite and you can buy this. Now moving on to some reds. So I have this one from Simply Nam. अभी इसका shade क्या है? This is the shade Rani Pink. So this is a very nice red color lipstick, and it is like good red color. It's not very orangish red color जो आते हैं वो मुझे नहीं पसंद. So I like this kind of red, like deep or darker red. It will last on your lips for a very long time, and it is very mattifying on your lips, and but at the same time it will not look chappy also. So yeah, this is a very good shade. If you're looking for a good red lipstick, आप ये try कर सकते हो. Now another red lipstick which I would like to show you is this one from MAC. This is their 935 Ruby Nude lipstick. This is a very good red color shade. This is like, as you can see, this is like very matte, and this is like a soft matte. It will not stay on your lips for a very longer time. ये कुछ समय के बाद चला जाता है. It will fade away, but it is like a very good color. थोड़ा light shade of red है. This is like a very dark shade. This is a lighter shade of red color. So if you're looking for a थोड़ा सा high end का lipstick, then you can try this one. I will make sure to link this in the description box. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. That were all my recommendations for you all, and if you're interested to shop from Nykaa, I think this is the right time for you all to shop on Nykaa to get your hands on some of these products which I have listed in today's video. All the products that I have listed in today's video would be on a great discount in the Pink Friday sale, which is going live right now, and this will be live till 27th of November, so you still have time. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and share it to your friends and family who would benefit from this video. And if you have any reviews or any comments, please drop down in the comments section, and I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box. So yeah, that's all. This is my first time making a sit down video, so I might not be very good in explaining the products very clearly to you guys, but I will get better slowly and gradually. Give me some time. Yeah, that's all. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.